Every year, drivers waste thousands of dollars on overpriced repairs, bad advice, and mechanic scams without even realizing it. But today, that's about to change. I'm revealing the top 10 car repair secrets that could save you over $4,500 a year. Secrets that mechanics don't want you to know. And make sure you stick around for secret number 10, because it's a simple trick that could double the lifespan of your car's expensive parts. Let's get started. Secret number 1. Mechanics overcharge for labor on simple fixes. Ever paid $100 for replacing a cabin air filter? That's a $15 part you can replace yourself in under a minute with no tools. Other simple fixes that mechanics love to overcharge for include changing windshield wipers, swapping out a battery, and replacing an air filter. Before agreeing to any repair, ask yourself, you'd be surprised how much you can save with just a little effort. Secret number 2. A dirty mass airflow sensor can tank your gas mileage. If your car suddenly feels sluggish or your gas mileage drops, most mechanics will suggest an expensive tune-up. But the real culprit? A dirty mass airflow sensor. This small sensor controls the air-fuel ratio in your engine. When it gets dirty, your car burns more gas and loses power. Instead of paying $300 for a mechanic to diagnose it, grab a $10 sensor cleaner and spray it yourself. It's an easy fix that takes just a few minutes. Secret number 3. Mechanics mark up parts by 40% to 70%. Most repair shops charge you far more for parts than they actually pay. For example, a part that costs the shop $85 could be sold to you for $180. Here's how to avoid this markup. Ask for the exact part number. Order it yourself from an online retailer like Rock Auto or AutoZone. Bring the part to the mechanic and just pay for the labor. This one step alone could save you hundreds of dollars. Secret number 4. You probably don't need a transmission fluid change. Many mechanics recommend changing your transmission fluid at 30,000 miles, claiming it will extend the life of your transmission. But here's the truth. Most modern automatic transmissions are sealed and designed to last 100,000 miles or more before needing a fluid change. Before agreeing to this service, check your owner's manual. You could be wasting $300 or more on a completely unnecessary service. Secret number 5. Cleaning battery terminals can fix a dead battery. If your car won't start and you hear a clicking sound, you might not need a new battery, just cleaner terminals. Check the battery terminals for white or green corrosion. If you see buildup, scrub it off with baking soda and water. Once clean, apply a little petroleum jelly to prevent future corrosion. This quick fix can extend your battery's life by 2 to 3 years, saving you from an early replacement. Secret number 6. Most mechanics skip lubricating brake caliper pins. When you get your brakes replaced, the shop should lubricate the caliper pins, but most don't. Dry caliper pins cause uneven brake pad wear, which means you'll need new pads sooner than expected. Simply asking your mechanic to lubricate them or doing it yourself can extend brake life by up to 40%. Secret number 7. You don't need to rotate your tires every 5,000 miles. Tire rotations are often recommended at every oil change, but you might not need them that often. Here's the truth. Front-wheel drive cars wear front tires faster, so they need more frequent rotations. All-wheel drive cars require even wear to prevent drivetrain issues. If your tires are already wearing evenly, you can skip the rotation and save $30 to $50 per visit, adding up to over $200 a year. Secret number 8. Small windshield chips can be fixed for $25. Got a small crack or chip in your windshield? A shop might tell you that you need a full replacement for $600 or more. But in many cases, a $25 DIY windshield repair kit can seal small cracks and prevent them from spreading. Also, check with your insurance company. Many offer free windshield chip repairs, so you might not have to pay anything. Secret number 9. Cleaning your car's undercarriage prevents costly rust. If you live in an area with snow and road salt, rust is your car's worst enemy. Rusted suspension parts and frames can cost thousands to repair or replace. A $15 undercarriage wash once a month can prevent rust buildup and save you thousands in future repair costs. Secret number 10. The best way to avoid expensive repairs. Want to avoid costly breakdowns and extend the life of your car? Check your fluids regularly. Most major repairs start with something simple: low oil, dirty coolant, or old transmission fluid. A quick 5-minute check once a month can catch small issues before they become expensive problems. These 10 secrets could save you over $4,500 a year just by knowing what to avoid and how to handle simple fixes yourself. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out my next video on the 7 biggest car hacks that will make you become the ultimate driver. See you in the next one.